You won't find instructions on how to use Vicks VapoRub on your toenail fungus on the back of the package, and that is because it is not what the makers of Vicks have intended it for. However, there has been research to show that the ingredients in Vicks, namely camphor, eucalyptus oil, and menthol, when used together are effective in controlling toenail fungus. If you wish to try Vicks as a home treatment, be aware that it may take a while before it effectively eradicates the fungus, but it will work. To start with, trim the toenail that is affected with nail clippers. Immediately after trimming, cleanse your nail clippers with hot soapy water, then rinse them with rubbing alcohol. Follow this by washing your foot, paying special attention to the nail. Dry it thoroughly with a towel. Then scoop some Vicks out of the container with a spoon. Be sure to use a spoon because you do not want to apply the Vicks to your infected toenail with fingers, and then stick your finger back into the Vicks. You will use the Vicks on the spoon to apply to your toenail. Apply the Vicks to your toenail. Be sure to completely cover the nail, getting under the nail and down into the cuticle. To effectively get the Vicks in the edges of and under the nail, you can use a disposable cotton swab. Rub the Vicks in thoroughly and cover the toe with a bandage or sock. This will help the Vicks absorb into the nail, rather than rubbing off on sheets or furnishings. Repeat this process twice daily, in the morning and evening. Be patient, it may take up to 5 months before you see progress. Remember to keep all of your toenails trimmed, dry and clean to prevent developing nail fungus. Also wash all towels used on the affected foot as you don't want to cross-contaminate. If your fungus appears to be getting worse instead of better, or if you experience pain, redness or swelling of the toe, see your doctor immediately. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 27 amazing uses and benefits of Vicks VapoRub you must know. Thanks for watching and bye for now.